Good morning. Today is the 21st, 22nd of September, weekly expiry. So we're looking at a gap down of almost 300 points in Bank Nifty, which is probably yesterday's low, and below yesterday's low on Nifty, almost 108 points down. So yesterday in the last 1 hour, we have seen an IV spike on both the sides, on the calls and the puts in the last 1 hour. So I'm expecting this IV crash to happen in the opening. So since this is not a very big gap down, although Dow closed almost 500 points in the negative and is still trading in the negative. So I'm waiting for a good trade to come in, but would be very light on the morning since the IV spiked in the last 1 hour. So currently the IV is at 39 and approximately 39 and 40. So that's not the usual IV on a expiry day. The premiums are at a very high price. So I'll wait for the IV crash to happen. Then I'll probably look for a trade. 41,000 has open and high. Of 282. Planning to take a call trade. 30 is my buy price. I'll make a very quick exit. Again bought it at 233. The IV crash is happening, so I'll be a little careful in booking my profits. I'm reducing some positions here. $75. That was a great up move. It hit the open and high very quickly. The IV crash is happening big time. It has come to 28 on both the sides. The up move was very quick. Although I took it at a good level, my second entry could have been better if I held on to it. exited some more. Exited all. My initial entries were at 230, then exited at 240. My second entry was again at 233, but I quickly exited because of the IV crash that was happening. This move was very good. 235 it went to 265, 288. Thinking of taking another call trade. Waiting for the 5-minute candle to close. Took it at 270. While it's crossing the day high, it is not moving as quick as it could. The premiums are moving very quick. I should be a little careful with my exits. Entries at 270, currently at 250. The 5-minute candle closed very well. That's the reason I took the trade, but I got it at a high price. Although the rally is very good, it's happening with very low volume. I'm waiting for the day's high, today's day high. If that doesn't work out, then I'll exit, find out quantity. It is very, very, very difficult today. Some reason it went to 270 and now it's back. It went to 290, now it's back at 270. The put premiums are falling big time, but the calls are not having the spike. Puts are falling very well. Calls are not showing that strength in going up. Exiting this at 280. Rather book small profits rather than lose all. Since it's premium decay on both the sides, not very comfortable. The put premiums are melting away. Look at this. The put premiums are literally melting away, whereas the call premiums are not going up. That's how they're managing it. Placed an order at 275. Let's see if that gets triggered. Okay, that got triggered. I have the last 250 quantity left. Although there's a big IV crush on both the sides, from 40 it has come to 24 and 24. There's a good OI built up on this in the morning. Almost 28 lakh is the OI. Even in the morning, we have had 29 lakh, 17 lakh OI built up. So if there is a spike, then those people will start to cover their positions. Both of them are trading with an equal bias. I'll be looking for the call trade after it crosses this, but probably at this strike. At this point, Bank Nifty is exactly at the all-time high anchored VWAP and also at the weekly VWAP. So for it to go higher, it has to cross 41,255 on the upside, which is this level. So if it crosses that level, then it's a good zone for Bank Nifty to go at. I'll exit this. I'll wait for another trade. Just looking for 5 points in this. Exited this at 276, standing at 41,000 for the day. Taking a trade in 41,000 at 213. 213 is my buy price. Exited all. The move was just to break. It's again reversing. The market is very dicey. I booked the previous one and lost, so my morning profits have been gone. I'm looking at another trade, but waiting for a right opportunity. The problem is they're pulling the premiums high and then writing it. They've taken it till the VWAP 41,000 put option, and then they've started writing it again from 200 level to 170. Whereas here, although the price moved so much in this place, it moved almost 35 points. In the call, it hardly moved 20 points. Just going around in this place. The day's low was broken. We can see a rally up to today's high, and then again a reversal, because both the strikes there has been a huge OI addition. 3.9 million at the CE and 4.3 at the PE. Trending OI suggests that there is one place that someone will get out. Both of them are writing. One of them is writing heavily, the call writers. So the put writers have to exit. They have a very big position here. The higher OI is at the put in 41,000. So let's see. Taken a trade at 223. Exited half at 240. Quickly moved to 250. We'll trail this to see what happens above that. Being very conservative today because the moves are very erratic. The 1 hour candle is forming a very bearish one. It's indicating to be a bearish day. 260. If it crosses the day's low, then the move can be very quick. But I'm only expecting the move to come until 350. This level. Not expecting it to cross that level. Even now, look at the way it is reversing. I've exited at 240, then it went all the way to 260, and then it's back to 240. The day's low has been respected. So I'm waiting, see if I can get into this trade or I have to get out of this trade. My entry is 223. if the market closes well below this, I would look for a quick entry. Took an entry at 255. It's not breaking the day's low. I'll reduce some quantity here. Seen a massive put unwinding. If this is acting as a good support, then I'll have to be careful with my trade. Okay, I'll exit this trade since it's not looking for a small rebounds on the upside to exit the trade. 237 I've exited. Currently at break even. If it goes above this, then I'll quickly re-enter. I've re-entered at 243, currently at 247. The movement is very quick, so I'll have to take what I get and quickly leave. $244 is my buy price. I'm looking for one spike on the upside to exit, but if it doesn't come, looks like it's not coming. There's always a resistance pushing it down. The 1 hour candle closed bearish. If this doesn't work out, then I'll quickly make an exit. 260, it's not crossing 265 level. That's what I'm waiting at. We exited 1000 quantity at 260. Not comfortable holding such big quantity at a price where it's not moving. I would rather re-enter it quickly and exit again. The day's low is considered to be a great support for Bank Nifty today. The day's low is currently at 48.56. If that is broken, then the move can be good. Otherwise, we'll have to wait. There's a reversal. Looks like it's breaking. Took an entry at 270. To 280. Exited some at 273. Seeing a massive drop in OI. Today's low is breached with volume. Then we can see an up move in the put price. Otherwise, it's better for me to make an exit. The 5-minute candle shows bearishness in Bank Nifty, but the premiums are not moving as we thought they would. 270, it has come to 265. Exiting the trade here. I have the last 500 quantity left with me. It's again at 270. Waiting for a candle close below this for me to strongly make an entry. Because it has the highest OI. It is giving me a sign that it can go down. Taken entry at 282 again. This is the spike I was expecting. The day high is 350. My entry was at 282. It is now at 292. It went all the way to 321. If it crosses 350 level, then the move can be very quick, very good. 320 is the monthly VWAP. Planning to exit some slowly since this is a good price that I've got. $320 was a good exit, but I don't know if it is reversing quickly again. I'll start to slowly exit from 330. I'm expecting support at 320, and this can only go until 350. That's what maximum I'm expecting. Let's see. It's not crossing that 320 level. It's getting stuck at 310 level. I was expecting this 320 to be crossed. There's a massive drop in OI, that is for sure. I took a re-entry at 386 after exiting at 296 and 300. So I'm just waiting for a fall above 325. If it crosses this level, that is where there will be a huge drop in OI. That's what I'm expecting. Now I have a total of 1000 quantity. Exiting some at 305 because 324 is a very big resistance for Bank Nifty. So it might not cross that level is what I'm thinking. But on the side of OI, it has made a very huge difference. You see in OI analysis, we are seeing almost 18 lakh short covering. Although this is a 2 candle, I would again re-enter at 290. Rather than re-entry, this could be a support that Bank Nifty can start taking. I'm taking entry at as it's going lower just for another spike. I've taken entry at 268. I'll book small profits and exit. Still at 274. I have 500 quantity left. Taken at 290 again. Expecting this move to continue. $324. Exited some at 322. $330. The day high is broken. We can see a massive spike in the price. This is at 350. My last exit was at 330 and 322. I'll try to trail this the best as I can. It's currently at 360. Exited some at 352. So current M2M is 1,32,000. I have the last 250 quantity with me. This entry was perfect. The 282 entry made a small profit. Again, this small entry, the 268, I should have held on to it. I exited at 274. 290 was our best entry. Then we exited at 322, 330, and 350. The reason I exited at 322 and 330 was it was near the day high. That is where there is maximum OI built up. That is where we'll see a sharp up move. Exiting 125 quantity at 360. Exited all at 350. 1,34,000 done.